Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to turn on voice responses such as the brief mode, which means that if you speak less, Alexa will speak less as well, or when you turn on the whisper mode, it means that when you whisper to Alexa, the response will be whispered back to you. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, tap on the More button down below, scroll down and click on Settings, tap on Alexa app settings, and tap on Alexa preferences and voice responses. Here you can turn on the brief mode, meaning that when it is enabled, Alexa speaks less and may play a short sound instead. And when you turn on the whisper mode by tapping on this button in the right side, so when you whisper to Alexa, she will respond to you by whispering. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.